Yo,
what's up, man?
are you AP Vlogs?
Yeah, bro, what's up?
Yo, your videos suck,
Oh,
dog.
really?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yo, bro, what the
Hey, bro, is that your bike?
Yeah?
Well, guess what?
What?
It's mine now.
Come back.
And don't forget to subscribe to AP Vlogs. What is up, YouTube? It is 9 in the morning right now. We are here at Simi Valley, California, at Alex Gintani's warehouse for a car meet / toy drive. And there's a bunch of super hyper cars just rolling in right now as I speak. I brought some Hot Wheels to donate. Let's go, chat. So we're here at the Alex Gintani warehouse. The meet hasn't even started and there's already so many beautiful cars. There's a Ferrari right next to me. There's a lineup of Porsches and a few Lamborghinis. I already know this. It's early in the morning, but I can already tell that this is gonna be a sick meet. You know, we're here. We're donating for the kids. AP Vlogs, baby. We're here. Gintani warehouse. Ooh, this is nice. Let's go, man. I know.
The whole cars collection.
I know, yeah.
Damn,
We got like half of it.
That's sick, bro. I'll put these in like a special corner, so like
okay,
those
thank
who
you,
know,
man.
they know, you know.
Yeah, I got you, man. All right. This has to be one of the nicest shops I've been in. And this is in like my local town. So like, I didn't know this was here, honestly. So, damn, bro. Yeah, Santa Claus in the truck. What the hell? Santa! Woo! Damn. Bro, Santa's here. Let's go, bro. Be more happier. Santa's here, dog. And we're at Alex Gintani's warehouse. Come on.
Not in the Christmas spirit.
We're at the next part of the warehouse. Yo. It's all dirty, but it's still beautiful. And there's more cars over there, huh? The big ass antenna over there. So for being such a local meet, this is like a crazy meet because like I've lived here all my life and I've never seen something so nice, so local. Like there's car meets in Simi like every week, but there's nothing like this. So I'm like blown out of my mind, and especially from this guy, from this guy right here, Alex Gintani. This is his warehouse. His Lamborghini's right here. That's his Lambo. But anyways, y'all, this is super nice. I'm glad I woke up early. subscribe, y'all, because this brings me joy. Them things are rare right there, chat. Especially left-hand drive. Right-hand drive.
That's nice, man.
Thanks, bro. Thank you, brother. All right, chat. It's been an hour, and these cars have not left. They are still here. They're still chilling. They're kicking back. The owners getting toys left and right. Yeah, we're here.
You might ride that.
Yeah, hold on, chat. Hold up, chat.
We'll give it afterwards. On the way out. On the way out. On the way out. On the way out. On the way out.
And Alex, I have a question. So, how long we're working here?
This building?
Yeah.
It's been 2.5 years.
2.5 years. Oh, okay.
2.5 years. We lived here for so long and we never knew it was here.
I've been living here for 16 years.
We try to keep it hush
Yeah.
bro. We don't want it to get crazy, you know?
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Even this, we didn't want it to be big. We just want to keep it like, you know,
Still
how
a
it
good
gets
local meat. Yeah.
When the kids come, do super over. We don't want to have problems with the city.
Yeah.
So we'll do 'em.
Especially here in Sydney.
Yeah, we don't want to here, bro. They like us, they respect us,
Yeah.
we want to stay respectful. So,
All right, man. Good to meet you, man.
Yeah,
Thank you so much.
sorry, mine is wet.
Yeah, don't worry about it. You're good.
Yeah, thank you, man.